this problem, we are given an isosceles triangle with an angle of 36 degrees as the vertex angle. We want to find the value of sine of 18 degrees. So first of all, realize that 18 degrees is half of 36 degrees. This means that our goal is to form a right triangle by dropping our altitude. And we know that by the 3 and 1 line, the altitude is going to be the angle bisector. So we'll form two right triangles with 18 degrees as one of the angles. But to find the sine value, we need the side lengths. First of all, since sine is just a ratio, we can set these two sides as 1. And we can set this side as x. Now, since this angle is 36 degrees, these two angles will be 72 degrees. And then the special thing about this is that notice that the two base angles are double the size of the vertex angle. So this means that we can create similar triangles using this. If we bisect the 72 degrees, well, we'll get 36 degrees, right? So if we construct the angle bisector here, well, this will also be 72 degrees because this angle is 36 degrees. And this is also 36 degrees. This means that these two sides are equal. So this is x. Since these two angles are equal, it will mean that this side is also x. So this is going to be 1 minus x. Now notice that these are going to be two similar triangles because they have equal angles. So this triangle is similar to, for our new triangle, this triangle. With side lengths x, x, and 1 minus x. So, since corresponding sides are similar in the same ratio, we have 1 over x equals to x to 1 minus x. So, we solve this equation to get x squared equals to 1 minus x squared plus x minus 1 equals to 0. So we're going to solve this to get x equals to negative 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Notice that it's only plus not minus in this case because we need a side to be positive. And now if we draw the 3 and 1 line here, well, we know that this is going to be 18 degrees, right? So by definition of sine is the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So we have sine of 18 degrees this time will just be 1, 2. It'll just be negative 1 plus square root 5 over 4 to 1. So it should be negative 1 plus square root 5 over 4 is to 4 because it is half of negative 1 plus square root 5 to 2. So the answer to this problem is the value of sine 18 degrees is negative 1 plus square root 5 to 4. And that's how you solve this problem.